your efforts as we give out our minor awards.
So for our first minor award, this is Miss Congeniality. And our winner is candidate number Candidate number 6, Juliet Bianca.
She will be receiving 5,000 cash, sash, and bouquet to be awarded by Councilor Franny Saison and Ms. Amelia Shakirova.
Our Miss Photogenic goes to candidate number 3, Sophia Zaragoza.
She will be receiving 5,000 cash, sash, and bouquet to be awarded by Councilor Lalo Quintadilla and Albert Paso, official photographer for Miss Bacolod Masskara 2024.
Our next award is the Darling of Social Media. And our winner is candidate number Candidate number 3, Sophia K. Zaragoza.
She will be receiving 5,000 cash, sash, and bouquet to be awarded by Councilor Cindy Rojas and Rico Tan.
Our darling of social media, we only counted the organic likes for this one.
our next award is Best in Talent. Wow! Ano yung talent niya? So, the winner of Best in Talent is candidate number 7, Cindy Valencia.
She will be receiving 5,000 cash, sash, and bouquet to be awarded by Councilor Jason Villarosa and Ms. Doris Jimenez.
Our next award is the Best in Festival Costume. And our winner is candidate number Candidate number 15, Trisha Nicole Tuari.
She will be receiving 5,000 cash, sash, and bouquet to be awarded by Ms. Kathleen Matino and Ms. Crystal Cadara.
Our designer was Aaron Spencer Marin. Congratulations!
She will be receiving 5,000 cash and bouquet to be awarded by Mr. Jericho Latino and Councilor Cindy Rojas.
And our next award is Best in Swimwear. And our winner is candidate number Number 5, Princess Ella Olivia.
She will be receiving 5,000 cash, sash, and bouquet to be awarded by Tracy Suno, Miss Bacolod Masskara 2023 first runner-up, and Binibini Pilipinas Bacolod City, and Mr. Joseph Tan Poco.
Quite exciting. It's Best in Evening Gown. Ayan. So the winner is... Our Best Evening Gown Designer goes to candidate number 13, Anne-Marie Aguilar, acknowledging her designer, Tony De Ramos.
She will be receiving 5,000 cash and located to be awarded by Carmeli Banto and Secretary Quiñones.
For our last minor award, this is the Best in Evening Gown. And our winner is candidate number... Candidate number 5, Princess Cornelia.
She will be receiving 5,000 cash, sash, and bouquet to be awarded by Ellie Rose Lola, Miss Bacolod Masskara 2023 second runner-up, and Nick Isaac Bacolod, and Councilor Israel Salanga.
Ladies and gentlemen, the top 5 results are now in my hands. So Bacolod, who do you guys think will be part of our top 5? Sino? I see number 13 here. How about you guys? 11? 12?
And number 3 go on.
Number 3? How about this time?
Yes, Ella. Wow, everyone has placed their bets. And we're only talking about the live audience. What more the people on live stream, right? Well, to all our candidates, you guys look stunning. You were one among the many hopefuls who auditioned to be part of this prestigious pageant and were selected to be part of this year's competition. So that in itself is already a great achievement. Palakpakan po natin lahat ng mga candidates tonight. Congratulations already to all of you. But tonight, only 5 names were written in the stars. And these 5 will be taking a step closer towards becoming our Sapphire Queen.
Alright, so Crystal, here we go!
I'm ready,
Bacolod, are you guys ready? Okay, so for our first candidate, you are part of our top 5. Candidate number 5, Princess Ella Cornelia.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Princess Ella Cornelia, 22 years old, a graduate from Politics University, Bacolod, with a bachelor's degree in Accounting Information Systems. This is one thing that is close to I think all the members of our community. As I said, I was raised by 5 grandparents, and they really taught me about the art of giving back, to always look back to where we're from, and to always reciprocate the love that we get from the people around us.
I grew up with 6 grandparents. Can you imagine? So, question, you grew up with your grandparents. What is the one lesson you have learned from them that helped you in your quest for the Sapphire Crown?
One thing that I have learned from my grandparents is to always be resilient. Life is tough itself. We know that there will never be rainbows and butterflies in our life, but we need to stand our ground and to be optimistic. Always look at everything, that there will be color in everything. Always look at everyone with a smile in your face, because we know that we are Bacolod Nons, and this is imbibed in us. Optimism, resilience, and compassion. And I think this is not only a lesson that I have learned from my grandparents, but this is also a lesson that I have learned as a Bacolod Non, to always smile and face the future with a smile. Thank you.
Beautiful answer. Thank you so much. And welcome to the top 5.
Okay, 1 down and 4 spots left. Congratulations, because you are part of our top 5. Candidate number 7, Cindy Valencia.
My name is Cindy England. I'm 20 years of age, a third-year student studying in business administration, majoring in both business economics and marketing management at the University of St. Louis. And my advocacy is about awareness, empowerment, and inclusivity to the PWD community in the employment sector within Bacolod City. I chose this advocacy because it's very close to my heart. My father became a PWD, but he left it untreated and persevered to work hard for over 2 decades so that we could finish our education. At a very young age, I was trained and honed to be a public speaker. My skills in public speaking could be useful in many issues in society so that we could empower others by voicing out their concerns and including them in conversations, and also empowering young children to live up and to see the potential that is inside them and become the leader of themselves, become the future of our society.
Wow, Cindy, here's your question. What is your favorite project as a voice-over artist that reflects Bacolod's identity and why?
What you have seen right now is my favorite project, where I have shared my advocacy, which my father was the representation and my motivation to do this. I am standing here right in front of you, redefining what a beauty queen is. I am here with a purpose, and that is for my advocacy, because I firmly believe that empowerment and inclusivity isn't just a privilege, but it is a right. Therefore, I stand here speaking and using my talents and skills in public speaking to share to you my vision. And I stand here proud to make this vision a lived experience to all. Thank you.
What a beautiful answer, and congratulations on being part of the top 5.
3 spots left. Congratulations, because you are part of our top 5. Candidate number 15, Aisha Nicole Duarte.
State University in Design, taking up Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. One fun fact about me is I'm musically inclined. I can play the violin, the ukulele, I can also sing, and I was once a part of our church choir. My question would be, if you really miss Bacolod 2024, who would you want to dedicate your victory on and why? First of all, I would like to dedicate my victory to my mother. Being raised by a single mother, I saw how hard she managed to raise me and to fund for my needs and being able to carry a responsibility that was originally meant to be carried by 2 people. That is why it made me to strive harder in life, and if I would miss Bacolod, I would owe it all to her.
And it's so sweet! Now here's your question. We could see from your video that you do crochet. As a business, crochet requires a lot of patience and attention to detail. How do these qualities reflect you as a Bacolenyo?
I believe that one of the qualities of crocheting, one of them is consistency. Being able to maintain a business, you must strive hard to make balance when it comes to my education and to business. And as a Bacolena, I think that consistency is always important, because someone told me that I should be consistent in doing the things that I love, because if you maintain consistency, you are able to strive hard and attain the things that you're passionate about. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 15. And now we are down to our last two spots. Congratulations because you are part of the top 5. Candidate number 12. Justin Mahilo.
Justin Mahilo, 50 years old, currently third-year college student at the University of Lagos at Santa Maria, Caracas, taking up BS Civil Engineering. What's your biggest challenge in joining basketball? My biggest challenge would be transitioning from being a dancer to performing as a beauty queen. But I embrace this challenge despite having no experience. And I see this as a chance to show a new side of myself. Strong, confident, and ready for anything. Congratulations.
Wow! Now, in your video, it tells us that you are a performer. What is your favorite performance that you've been a part of in Bacolod, and why is it meaningful to you?
Well, one performance that really stuck with me was our performance last May together with my dance company at the SMX. And it was a dance of culture, especially the Muslim culture. And it was meaningful to me because I got to perform with the people that I love and the people that are the reason or part of the reason that I am here today. And that is why that performance is meaningful to me because I get to perform and enjoy with the people that I love. Thank you.
What a beautiful answer. To represent and keep our culture strong through performance and dance. One more.
Last spot left, guys. So, to all our queens, congratulations, but sadly we only have one spot left in the top 5. And that belongs to candidate number 10, Giselle May Sububan.
Philippines channel. Yes. This is actually my third time screening for Miss Bacolod. And I believe that 2024 is my year, so I will do my best just to prove that I also deserve a
Giselle, you never gave up until you finally are walking on this stage. What is your message to aspiring beauty queens like you who face rejection?
My message to the aspiring beauty queen is that to never give up on the dream that they have. Look at me, I'm already in front of you all tonight. Despite of all the challenges and despite of all the setbacks that I've encountered in life, I believe in myself, and look at me. You should believe in yourself also. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much and congratulations for being part of the top 10. Top 5.
Once again, Bacolod City, those were your top 5 candidates for Miss Bacolod Masskara 2024. Congratulations once again to all of you, and for the rest of the ladies, do not leave the stage yet because all of you deserve a special serenade from a very special guest.
You all did so well, girls. You must be proud of yourself. But through the entire competition. So I hope may energy pa kayo. Bacolod City, meron pa ba? Wow, they are all on fire. Let's give a warm welcome to our rising heartthrob, Mr. Patrick Piros.
kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng aking pinagkakinto, Jumalamay ang buti, ikaw pa rin aking bituin at nanangin kong dalangin ng sa huling sigla. Sa huling dalangin, mabalik pa rin siya mo. Sa huling dalangin, pipiliin ko maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mo, iyo
araw ang mag-alala na mahabang buhay ng kanan siya. That the world will never take over after love. Thank you so much, guys. Happy Festival of Love. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Patrick Quiroz, for joining us tonight. And we hope that you guys enjoy the rest of the Masskara Celebration Festival. A big thank you also to Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya, bingo sa panalo.
Marco, I think we have given our judges enough time to relax and take a break from the very heated competition. And as mentioned earlier, hindi pa tapos ang laban ng ating top 5 finalists. Now, we are about to name the top 3 contenders who will be competing for the final question and answer round. So we already have our top 5 back here on stage, and I hope you ladies are ready.
Alright, so for the final question and answer round, all scores will be back to 0. So our top 3 will be judged according to beauty, 50%, intelligence, 40%, and deportment for 10%, for a total of 100%. And now we will be calling in our finalists one by one, and they will be asked one common question. While our finalist is answering, the rest of the girls will be covered with soundproof earphones to ensure that they will be hearing the question. So, good luck to all our ladies. And now let's find out who will claim the top 3 spots.
But before we announce our winners, we would like to announce that all our top 5 winners will be receiving a special gift pack courtesy of our sponsor, Borough LASIK Center. Madamo gid nga salamat. Are you guys ready? Oh my gosh, I have it here in my hand. Our first spot goes to candidate number 5, Princess Ella Olvina. Our second spot goes to candidate number 7, Cindy Valencia. And we have one spot left for the evening. Our last spot for our top 3 goes to candidate number